1986, and we've continued to update that standard, and standards on mobile robots, standards on collaborative robots, and now the humanoid field, there are no standards yet. And so if humanoids are the next frontier, and you're going to put humanoids into factories in close contact with people, there really should be standards to safeguard them. Right now, I'm not aware of any robots in the United States that are working side by side with people. I think Agility has their installation at GXO, and it is separated from people until they believe the robot's safe enough to work around people. And China obviously seems to have lots of installations of humanoids right now. It's not clear, we don't have the numbers on that, but certainly they seem to have more than the US does. And we don't really know what the situation is if they're working side by side with people. So from a factory or warehouse perspective, safety is critical. But from a human standpoint, if we're gonna bring humanoids into our homes to work around our children and our pets and our grandparents, I don't see how you do that safely without standards. It would be nice to be able to cooperate with China and other countries who are developing humanoids to make sure we get this right. Because the worst thing that could happen is if these technologies go into a home and there's a fatality. In the early days of the industrial robot industry, if there was one fatality, it cast a pall over the whole robotics industry. And we've seen something similar with driverless cars in the early days. So we really need to get this right on humanoid robot safety standards.
Well, and Aaron,